You got your timer on?
Get it.
Whoa.
Let's do that track.
Yeah.
With a little bit of friction.
Okay, over there.
Okay, bitch. Timer going. She wants to turn right away. Oh, fuck. Just jump off of it.
Yeah.
She needs a rudder. Like, literally, that was a quarter throttle.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Well, the engine's doing its
Not
job.
tracking. Nice. Birdies.
No, I know.
Birdies. Yeah, I don't even want to go fast with it because I don't trust these servos at all.
No.
So she is still rolling a little bit. Stop rolling, you motherfucker. There we go. That's probably just the wind. I need more rudder in that fucking mix. I literally don't even want to use the ailerons because of
The servo?
just that servo is really sketchy. Somebody coming? Oh, fucking girl. Or her.
One of them.
Okay, so flaps and spoiler runs. And now my throttle's too high. This will definitely take floats now.
Oh, yeah.
She'll take floats now, no problem.
Yeah, she got lots of power.
Right? Oh, fuck yeah. There's like literally half throttle there. She just goes. I was more concerned about how it's going to track because I never even CG'd it. It's like, why bother fucking CGing it? Because I had a Zenoa something on it, and the DL50 is just as heavy. She's rich though. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Until I hit the RPM that it needs. Take some elevator out of there. She wanting to climb. Keep her a little closer. Holy fuck. Flaps. Drop's nice though.
Yeah.
For as homemade as it is.
Wow. Really behaves well.
Eh?
It behaves really good.
That's just a rudder turn right there. Okay, one little giver. Right, definitely no problem there. See, that fucking thing wants to keep rolling though. You see it there? The right wing wants to keep dropping and it keeps wanting to roll. So I have to see maybe my, well actually you know what it might be? It might be the torque roll.
Oh, yes.
I have to try that. I'll do that again, like go back around and do that with no throttle. Because that might be just...
Yeah, the engine.
Might be just the engine torquing it. I don't think so, but... You know, see, it's still doing it that way too.
I don't think the wind's that bad now.
No. So I'll line it up here. Well, it's still dropping a bit. Let's just fucking throw a shitload of fucking aileron in there.
Maybe she's a little balanced to the right.
Well, I did put weights on the, I did put weights on the one side there. Right, so maybe it's not enough now because the engine is, the configuration is a little different, right?
Yeah.
I'm happy with that though. Okay, that's enough of that. I don't want to push that too hard. I just want to work it in a bit because I don't know how fucking well that motor's going to stay bolted on there.
Yeah.
I didn't add anything to the firewall. I used the existing firewall, right? So I was a little leery on that.
Whoa.
Oh, son of a bitch, really?
Came in hot.
Okay. Oh, I wasn't trying to land, I was trying to do a touch and go.
Oh, yeah, touch and
The
land.
fucking wheels went in and just flipped over.